To use Oberlo for dropshipping, follow these steps. Sign up for Oberlo. Go to the Oberlo website and sign up for an account. You will need to have a Shopify store to integrate Oberlo with, as it works exclusively with Shopify. Install the Oberlo app. In your Shopify admin, go to the app section and click on Visit Shopify App Store. Search for Oberlo and install the app by clicking Add App. Explore products. Open the Oberlo dashboard and start browsing products from various suppliers. Use filters to narrow down your search based on categories, price, and shipping options. Import products. When you find a product you want to sell, click Add to Import List. Customize product titles, descriptions, and images as needed. Push to Shopify. Once your import list is ready, select the products and click Push to Store. These products will now be available on your Shopify store. Manage orders. When a customer places an order, Oberlo automates the fulfillment process by sending the order details to the supplier. Oberlo also updates tracking information, keeping your store running smoothly.